Hello, my dear students, Primary 5, all of you. Hope you are fine. Today, I will explain with you Unit 4, our last unit in the first term. It's about probability. Let's start together. What is the meaning of probability? Probability is a number which is used to describe the chances which may be happened in the future. Okay, I have an event. I want to know if this event it may be a certain or sure event, it may be possible, and it may be impossible. Okay, so I have three types of any event. Okay, first, if this event is sure, so it's a must, it will happen, or certain, so its probability will be 1. What about if this event is possible? Possible means it may be happen and it may not. So maybe yes or maybe no. So it will be between 0 and 1. That means that my answer will always be in a way of a fraction or as a fraction. What about an impossible event? Impossible event means it's something unreal. It's an imagine. So this will be 0. It's never happened. Okay, so now I have three kinds of any event or three types of our probability. Probability of an impossible event, which is 0, probability of a certain event, which is just 1, and the probability of possible, which is maybe yes or maybe no. This my answer always will be in as a fraction way. So we will study how to write or expect the possible events. Okay, I only want you to know that the impossible is always 0 and the certain or the sure event is always 1. Okay, I have a lot of types about the possible events. Maybe about the coin. Do you know when I flip a coin, the coin has two faces? So I will know how to know the probability of finding head or tail. I will study the probability of a die or a dice. Do you know the rolling of a die? Yes, it has 6 faces, starting from 1 ending by 6. And if I have any bag consist of balls, if I'm speaking about the students inside the class, something like this. So this is called probability. Our first example, here I have a dart, okay, and it's divided into 6 equal parts, okay, and I have a pointer, and the pointer it will spin to stop pointing to any number. So if I ask you about the probability of the pointer stop at an even number, how can I calculate this? First, I have to list my outcomes. How many outcomes I have? What is my total? I have 6 parts, so my total is 6. My total always I will write it in the denominator. Yes. And what about my numerator? Let's see. How many even numbers I have in these dart? I have 2, 4, and 6. So I have 3 numbers. So the probability that the pointer stop on an even number is 3 over 6. 6 is my total or my outcomes. Can I simplify 3 over 6? Yes, both of them in table of 3, so it will be 1 over 2, which is half. Okay, is it easy? Let's complete together. The same dart. If the probability that the pointer stop on a number greater than 3. I told you that my dart consists of 6 parts, starting from 1, ending by 6. So how many numbers do I have greater than 3? I have 4, 5, and 6. So I have 3 numbers. So how can I write the probability of this? I have 3 numbers, so I will write 3 over 6, simplify it to be half, which is 1 over 2. What about the probability that the pointer stops on a number more than 6. I told you that my dart consists of 6 parts numbered from starting from 1 ending by 6. So can I find a number more than 6? No. So I don't have any number more than 6. So my probability will be 0 over 6, which is mean 0. What about the probability that the pointer stop on a number of the factors of 6? Do you remember what are my factors? Do you remember? Yes, any number multiplied by other number and its product is 6. These two numbers, I will call them the factors of 6. So first, any number multiplied 1 give me the same number. So I have 1, I have 6. Can you find 6 in table 3? In table 2? Yes. So 2 multiplied 3 equals 6. So now I have for number 6 4 factors. They are 6, 3, 2, and 1. So how can I write this probability? It will be 4 over 6. Simplify them by 2 to give me 2 over 3. Is it clear? Okay, let's go to our next exercise. I'm talking about the coin. The coin has how many faces? Do you know? Yes, just 2 faces. So always, the denominator will be in the coin 2. Why 2? Because my outcomes or my total is 2. Okay, the coin has head and has tail. So if I ask you, I will flip a coin just one time and the probability of appearance of a head. So head, just 1, so my answer will be 1 over 2. What about if I flip the coin and the probability of the appearance of a tail? Yes, it will be also 1 over 2, which is half. So the coin has just only 2 faces. So always its probability will be 1 over 2. Okay? If he asked you about the head or if he asked you about the tail. My third exercise is about boxes and bags. How can I solve this? I will tell you a small idea to do it to solve this exercise. I start to read first. A box has 5 white balls, 7 red balls, 3 blue balls. So first, before starting, you have to circle or underline the numbers with the different colors. So I have 5 white, 7 red, and 3 blue. Before starting, can you add them together? I need you to find the total. Who can help me? So 5 plus 7 equals, I'm trying to write total. Okay, 12, yes, 12 plus 3, 15. So my total is equals to 15. I will choose randomly ball from this box, but I need it to be blue. How can I solve this probability? How can I find this fraction? So how many blue balls do I have? Just 3. So my numerator will be 3 because 3 is the wanted, but the color just I want. What about the total, the denominator? It will be 15. Can I simplify this? Can you find 3 and 15, both of them in the same table? Yes, table of 3. So my answer will be 1 over 5, which is fifth. Is it clear? Okay, let's go to the next one. A bag contains of 5 red balls. So first I will circle the 5 red balls and 3 yellow. So I will circle the yellow, 3, and 2 black. Before starting, what I have to do? Super! I need to find my total. Okay, 5 plus 3 equal 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So my total is equals to 10. Can I start to answer now? Yes, sure I can. The probability that the drawn ball is yellow. How many yellow balls do I have? 3. So, in my numerator I will write 3, and down in the denominator I will write my total, which is 10. So my answer is 3 over 10. Can I simplify them? No, so I will keep it as it is. What about the probability of drawn ball is yellow or red? So, how many yellow and red together? So I will add them together, yellow or red. So I have 5 red, 3 yellow. So my answer will be, yes, 8 over 10. Can I simplify them? Yes, both of them in table of 2. So my answer will be 4 over 5. Thank you. If I ask you about the probability of the drawn ball is not yellow, so the rest except the yellow. So my total is 10. Okay, I will take 10 minus yellow. How many yellow balls do I have? 3. So 10 minus 3, 7. So my answer will be 7 over 10. The probability that the drawn neither red nor yellow. So I will subtract the red and the yellow. So what will be the rest? Just the black one. So my answer will be 2 over 10. Okay, did you understand from where did I got the 2? Okay, let I explain it one more time for you. He don't want red and he don't want yellow. So I will subtract yellow and red from my total. My total is 10. So how many red? 5. So I will take 5 from the 10. And I need to take also the yellow. So I will subtract the yellow. So 10 minus 5 minus 3, the rest will be 2, 2 over 5. Can I simplify it? Yes, sure. So it will be 1 over super 5, which is fifth. Is it clear? Is it difficult? Any problem? Okay, shall we complete? Let's complete together. Now, I'm speaking about a classroom. There are 25 boys and 20 girls in my classroom. So I will choose randomly a pupil a girl. So how can I find the fraction about the girl or the probability about finding a girl? Can you think about it? Yes. First, I have to find my super students. I have to find my total. Okay, how can I find my total? By adding boys and girls. So by adding boys and girls, my answer will be 45. Yes, so this is my total. Super. Now, I want to know how many girls I have in this classroom. So the total is 45. So this is my total, my denominator. And the probability of finding a girl. How many girls do I have in this class? Yes, 20. So it will be 20 over 45. Can I simplify them? Yes, both of them are in table of 5. So 20 divided 5, 4. 45 divided 5 gives me 9. This is my answer. Let's go to another classroom. So the class holds 40 students. So inside this class, I have 40 students. 25 of them are boys and the rest are girls. So the rest means that I will subtract. Yes. So I need to subtract the number of the students of all the students minus the number of the boys to find the number of the girls. Yes, sure. So 40 minus 25, the answer will be 15. So, how many girls do I have? 15 girls. And what about my total? Yes, he told me that my total is 40. So, this is my fraction. Can I stop till here? No, I have to simplify it. Yes, both of them in table of 5. Super. So 15 divided 5 equals to 3. And what about 40 divided 5 equals 8? This is the meaning of the probability. Is it clear? Okay. Our last type of questions is talking about die or dice. Okay. Do you know the dice? Yes. We have to throw it or roll it to stop on any number. Okay. The numbers on any die starting from 1 till 6. So how many outcomes do I have? 6. That means that always, when I have die or dice, my total will be 6 without thinking. So always when I find the word die or dice, that means that my outcomes or my total is 6. And you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as a draft beside you before you answering. Okay, let's start to answer together. He's asking you about the probability of appearance of number 6. How many number 6 do you have here? Just 1. So my answer will be 1 over what? What is my total? 6. Super. So 6 is my total. What about the probability of appearance of number 7? Do I have number 7 on any die? No. So it will be just 0 over 6, which means 0. The probability of appearance of a number less than or equal 6. So first, when he told me that it's equal, so I will take 6 with me. All the numbers are less than 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So my answer will be 6 over my total. What is my total? Also 6. Okay, who can tell me who is my super student? When the numerator and the denominator, both of them are equal. So that means that my answer is equals to 1. Excellent, super student. Thank you. Okay, did you understand the meaning of probability? Is it easy or difficult? Let's complete talking about the die. Okay, if I ask you about the probability of appearance of an odd number. Okay, do you remember I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, odd numbers are 1, yes, 3, yes, and 5. So I have how many odd numbers? 3 over what is my total? Yes, 6. Can I simplify them? Sure. So it will be 1 over 2, which is half. Yes, thank you. What about the probability appearance of prime number? Do you remember what are my prime numbers? Yes. How can I know that this is a prime number? Prime number has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Okay, let's remember together. What are my prime numbers between 1 and 6 till 6? So I have 2. 3 is 4 a prime number? No, super. And I have 5. So how many prime numbers do I have? 3. Just 3 prime numbers. So my probability will be 3 over 6. Can I simplify it? Yes, sure. Divided by 3. So my answer will be just half. What about the probability of appearance of prime even number? I want only just even number. Okay, in all my prime numbers, do you remember all of them are odd except 2. 2 is the only even prime number. So how many numbers do I have? Just 1. So my answer will be 1 over 6, which is 6. Okay, the probability of appearance of any number divisible by 2. Okay, I have 2 and who can tell me? 4. Yes, super. And the last one is 6. Yes, thank you. So how many numbers do I have? 3. And what is my total? Don't forget, 6. So can I simplify them? Yes, sure. So my answer will be 1 over 2, which is half. What about the probability of appearance of any number divisible by 3? Okay. 1, no. 2, no. 3, yes, I will have 3. 5, 4, no. And 6, yes. So how many numbers? Just 2. 2 over, yes, my total is 6. So 2 over 6. That's me. Can I simplify it? Yes, sure. So my answer will be 1 over 3, which is third. Is it easy or difficult? Okay, let's complete. Now I have a box consists of cards. Okay, let's see what are my numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. So, what are the possible outcomes? Outcomes means what is my total. So, can you count my total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, my total is 6 over what? Over 6, yes. So these are all my outcomes. Okay, I'm asking you 6 over 6, which is mean? Yes, 1. What about the probability of choosing a card with the number 9? How many numbers 9 do I have here? Just 1. So my answer will be 1 over 9. Yes. Super. What about the probability of choosing a card with a number less than 6? Can you find number less than 6 here? Yes, I have 1. I have 3 and I have 5. So 3 over 6. I'm sorry, there is a mistake here, not over 9. That's over, yes, thank you, super students. This will be over, yes, over 6. My total is 6, sorry. Okay. And here, 3 over 6. Can I simplify it? Yes, sure. So my answer will be 1 over 2. Yes. Is it clear? Is it difficult? Okay. My last questions for you. Are you ready? Yes. The probability of an event is always 0 or 1 or a number between, yes, 1, 0 and 1. So this is my probability. When it's 1, it means that is a sure or certain. What about 0? Impossible. And what about if the number between 0 and 1? That means that it's possible. Maybe yes and maybe no. Yes. What about the impossible event? That says yes, 0. What about the certain event? Yes, it will be 1. It's a sure. What about the probability of March having 32 days? Yes, it's an impossible. Impossible means 0. The probability of the impossible event is always 0. And the probability of certain or sure event is 1. Is it clear? Do you have any problems? It's okay with you? Now, we have finished our lesson today and our curriculum for this term. So, I want to tell you a small quote about math. Math may not teach you how to add love or subtract hate, but it gives me hope that every problem has a solution. So I think our problem for this year, this time, we will have a very near solution for it. Okay? Hope you all good luck. Love you all, my dear students. Presented to you by Ms. Shayma Ahmed under the supervision of Ms. Basma Zidane, our Math HOD. Thank you, my dear students.